Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of melodic percussion with a truly captivating instrument. The 14-inch, 9-note dish-shaped handpan, crafted from professional steel and pure copper, tuned to a major C key. This isn't just any drum. It presents itself as a professional-grade percussion instrument, designed for both serious musicians and those seeking a profound sonic experience. Upon first glance, the aesthetic appeal of this handpan is undeniable. Its dish shape is elegant, and the combination of professional steel with pure copper accents gives it a premium, almost artisanal look. The 14-inch diameter feels substantial yet manageable, suggesting a good balance between resonant depth and portability. The craftsmanship appears meticulous, with smooth finishes and precisely defined tone fields, which are crucial for accurate sound production. Moving beyond its visual charm, the true test lies in its sound. With 9 notes tuned to a major C key, this handpan promises a harmonious and uplifting sonic palette. The major C key is known for its bright and accessible nature, making it incredibly versatile for various musical expressions, from meditative soundscapes to more rhythmic compositions. When struck, the notes resonate with remarkable clarity and sustain. Each tone rings out distinctly, yet blends seamlessly with others, creating a rich, layered sound that is both soothing and engaging. The pure copper element likely contributes to a warmer, perhaps more complex overtone series, adding to the instrument's unique voice. The professional-grade steel construction ensures durability and consistent tonal quality over time. This isn't a flimsy instrument. It feels robust and built to withstand regular play. The design of the tone fields allows for a wide dynamic range, meaning players can elicit soft, ethereal whispers or powerful, resonant swells depending on their touch. This responsiveness is a hallmark of a truly professional instrument, allowing for nuanced expression. For anyone considering adding a handpan to their collection, or even for those just starting their journey into percussion, this 14-inch model offers a compelling package. Its 9-note configuration provides enough melodic options without overwhelming a beginner, while its professional build and pure copper elements cater to the discerning ear of an experienced player. The dish shape is ergonomically designed, making it comfortable to play whether on a lap or a stand. The overall experience of interacting with this instrument is one of discovery and tranquility. It invites exploration, encouraging improvisation and a deeper connection with sound. The pure, resonant tones have a therapeutic quality, making it not just a musical instrument, but also a tool for relaxation and mindfulness. In conclusion, this 14-inch, 9-note handpan, with its professional steel and pure copper construction in a major C key, stands out as a high-quality percussion instrument. It delivers on its promise of professional sound and build, offering a rich, harmonious, and deeply engaging musical experience. It's an instrument that truly sings, inviting players of all levels to explore its beautiful sonic landscape.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.